Hello, people. So, in a surprising jump boost turn of events, I don't know how to call it, we are almost at least halfway there from 5,000 to 6,000 subscribers. My last giveaway was a 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Oh man, that's crazy. I've never gained this many subscribers from one giveaway video. So, thank you guys so much for that. But 6,000 subscribers, that is a milestone. And you know what that means? I gotta give something away. And usually it's a computer of some kind. Yes, I know my past few computers have been pretty inexpensive, but this time, well, it's not gonna be super expensive, but I have a different way of doing it. So all my giveaways so far have been random entry-based giveaways. You subscribe, you follow my Twitch, you subscribe to my YouTube, that's 2 entries, and you have 2 chances to win. I plug it into a bot, and it gives me a name. I message the person, I reply to their comment, and then I get where to send it. Done. The reason I don't announce a winner every time is because some of YouTube's policies. Now, this is my interpretation of them. They kind of leave a lot open to interpretation, but I have been affected by this. Is that if you say announce someone's YouTube name to public, and they get, let's say, attacked or harassed online, it will come back as me, and they could report me for something called targeted harassment, which is a bad thing. So even though I don't mean for a winner to get reply to their comments, people spamming them like, give me the PC you just won, it could happen, and it could turn back negatively on me, and I could get a strike. I've gotten a community guideline strike before, way in the past, it's gone now, for a similar thing. I mentioned someone's name, they got harassed, and they reported me. And it was kind of sad. The first giveaway winner, there was a video where I actually give them a PC on my channel. He was super chill. He's like, I don't care. I'm going to delete the account. I'm like, okay, man. Well, I don't think he deleted it, but he's like, I'm not going to use that account anymore. But, if I did, someone could. So that's why I don't. When I get more subscribers, there are some, protections against that. But as a small channel, I can't, publicly defend myself. Because it's YouTube just sees one use. I'm a user. I'm not really even a content creator in terms of the bigger picture, which is fine. I only have 5,000 to 6,000 subs right now, so I understand that. So it's basically what they see is one user telling his subs to attack another user, which I would never do. That is a horrible thing. And guys, please. But you're probably sitting there thinking, oh, I wouldn't do that. But someone next to you probably isn't. Well, not next to, but someone else watching this video is probably thinking that. But when push comes to when push comes to subs, yes, when push comes to shove, people do beg. You've seen people begging in my comment section. Those people that are begging are the same people that will start spamming and harassing people who win giveaways. So that's the only reason I don't announce it. I say 10K subs, I'm going to start announcing it again. If it becomes a problem, I'll wait and I'll maybe try to email YouTube and see if YouTube. I'm hoping maybe YouTube sees this video and emails me saying, hey, you're good to go. We understand. But like I said, I can't take the risk. A lot of you will understand, I just can't take the risk as a small channel. That would be one bad way to lose everything I've built so far and the multiple thousands of dollars I've spent on you guys. Speaking of multiple thousands of dollars, what do you get when you cross a Red Devil RX 580, a Gigabyte B450M with Wi-Fi, and a Ryzen 7 2700X, you get a pretty okay streaming PC. You've got 8 cores, 16 threads at 4 gigahertz. You've got an RX 580, which is a good gaming GPU. Not the greatest in the world, but it's good. And you've got a Wi-Fi capable motherboard. Pretty budget. It works. I've used it for this CPU. Now, this Ryzen 7 2700X is my personal favorite streaming CPU. It's inexpensive at the moment, and it goes great in PCs. Now, it has a Ryzen 5 sticker. I don't know what happened, but this is a 2700X. You can't see it, but it is in there. Hopefully, I didn't break it. Now, this CPU, yeah, we're not going to do that. I dropped too many things. I would make a montage, but I just can't edit all my videos that fast. So, the reason I'm giving away a streaming PC, some of you noticed I said streaming PC. Yes, I mean gaming and streaming. I don't mean I use a specific streaming and a specific gaming PC. This is 8 cores, 16 threads for gaming and streaming on a budget. It is pretty budget because I'm not rich. This is just affordable. So, so it's a streaming PC, which kind of ties into how the next giveaway is going to work I think. I want to get your input on this, guy. So I have a couple options how we do this. We could do it as usual, completely random. And if you guys want that, we'll do it completely random. Or we can do it in the way that if you want to win, you will win. Now, here's what I mean by that. I mean, if you truly want to win. Saying, I want to win so bad because blah, 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 is not good. That doesn't mean you want to win. That means you want to tell me you want to win because you want a computer. Here's my options. I'm thinking, or at least one of them, of doing a watch time giveaway on Twitch, which is my choice streaming platform, just because money. No, because growing on Twitch provides more for the streamer than, say, growing on YouTube. Like, I would like to use YouTube to grow the audience, get the giveaway people to come in, and then basically bring them over to Twitch so I can live stream and play some Call of Duty and stuff like that, Counter-Strike and all that. I don't play Fortnite. It's so bad now. But I kind of want to do a watch time giveaway, the same as I've been doing for the past few days, but on a bigger scale, like maybe a week. Or another thing I was thinking is maybe we do a week when we hit 6,000 subs. This way everyone who is 1 in 6,000 subs has a chance. Or I tally up the watch time from not the day this video is, but like soon, like I'll make a date soon, and then count it until we hit 6,000 subs. The only problem is that stops some people from having a chance, because if someone comes in at 5,999 subs, they do have a chance because people give up so easily. But like they have less of a chance than someone that's there at like 4,000 who's already watching right now, or I would say right now someone who's already here. That's one of the options. Or those two options. So a week when we hit 6,000 subs, or until we hit 6,000 subs. So it's kind of like a loyalty thing. And you don't have to be loyalty. Honestly, it would just be who can leave their phone on the longest. Basically, that's it. I've been telling people for every time I've done a watch time giveaway. The point of a watch time giveaway isn't to force you to actually watch my streams and be like, I'm so engaged with this horrible content. No. It's so that you can plug your phone in, leave it on my live stream, and go make some toast while you get some free RAM, usually. That's the point of it. Now, recently I've been noticing my viewer count's kind of dropping because I'm a horrible streamer, but I want to get better, and I feel like a good way to get better is to have people who don't want to come on the stream, or that do want to come on the stream and actually have a good viewing experience. Those are the people I want to tell me, hey, this is what you need to do. Because whatever I need to do to become a better streamer, I will do it. I've got the dual PCs. I built a new gaming PC. I'm ready to go. You just got to tell me what to do. Because you guys are the ones that have to watch it. So, that's one of my options. So, 3 options there. Random, a week, the watch time for the week after 6,000 subs. Or from, not this video, but I'll make a video until 6,000 subs. Tell me what you guys think below, because I kind of want you guys to have a part in these giveaways, because they are for you. Well, one of you at least. And, we'll just keep doing them every 1,000 subs. Well, once we hit, the point where it's 1,000 subs a day, which is never, because, trust me, I'm not going to get there. I'm not that lucky. Then, of course, it'll be maybe every 5,000, or just randomly, when I make some money. But here's the thing with Twitch. The great thing about Twitch streaming is that if I did a 7-day week, there is ad revenue on Twitch, which is YouTube's ad revenue is really live streaming. It's not there. With videos, it's not a lot. It's pretty bad. It's just to give you a kind of rough estimate, it would be maybe for one video it's $7 per 1,000 ads watched. Something like that. So if I get 1 million views and 5 people watched ads, I'll maybe get 2 cents. Now, of course, I put the unskippable ones because I'm kind of greedy. So if you watch that ad, maybe it's a fraction of a cent, and then 1,000 of them, $8 or something like that. But that's basically how it works for YouTube. So it's not based on, there's no just generic cost per milli. I think it's called milli. It's Italian, but I just say milli because I don't speak Italian. I'm not gonna say I'm not Italian, but why am I still talking? I digress. So basically, you get paid by the thousands of ads watched. That's why I always encourage people to watch ads, so I can I want to offset the cost. My goal is always offsetting. It's never to pay for it. That would be my goal, but it never does. It probably won't for a long time. But my goal is to offset the cost. That's why I want to stream on Twitch 7 days of people leaving their phones on my stream, or even just watching it, with me playing ads. I do play a lot of ads on Twitch. Every 8 minutes, you can play 3 minutes of ads. I do that. that's actually like, it'll be good. Maybe you'll pay for half. I'll be lucky if it pays for half, but if it pays for half a giveaway, that's half a giveaway I don't have to pay for, and half a giveaway I can do later. If you know what I mean. I want to make it cost less to me so I can give more to you. Like I said, I've got my stuff. I've got all the CPUs I need, so now it's up to you guys, for me to give you guys stuff. So this is kind of what I'm thinking. Of course, there'll be a full finished build. I might send it in parts, depending on where you live. If I have to send it to India again, I did send a PC to India recently. If I have to send it to India again, I don't know what, I think it was a pizza, something I sent to India. If I had to send it to India, so many words. India again, I'll probably send it in parts, because it'll just be cheaper. It cost me $150 last time because it was a whole PC just to ship it. Fine, but I'd rather make it easier, depending on where you live. I mean, if you want parts, if you want me to send you stuff to build your own PC, if you win, I'm saying, that'll be fine. Also, I want to talk about, if anyone's made it this far in video, I'll have to make a new video about this, but if you watch this far and you don't feel like watching the next video, I want to talk about my watch time giveaways. So how I'm going to do them now is I do want to try to get more viewers to come in, or at least give everyone a chance. So there are people in all different time zones of the world. I had people coming in from South Africa at the end of the stream at like 2 in the morning, and I had people from England, I had people from America, I had people from India, people from all over the world. Time zones are confusing. I don't know all the time zones, and it's confusing, so everyone should have a chance. So how I'm probably going to do it with RAM giveaways, I give the person who watched the longest amount of hours on my stream. By the way, all my giveaways are international, if you can tell. I gave the person who ever watched the longest of one stream a kit of 16 gigabytes of DDR4 3000. It's G.Skill Aegis. It's a fine kit. The RAM works the same as any other RAM. It's just, cheap looking because it's cheap. But it's $75 RAM, and then the ads kind of maybe half or a lot of, it offsets the cost. I may be paying $30 for a kit of RAM and giving away $30 for all that viewers and gaining like popular. I don't want to say popularity, but gaining followers. I'll take it. $30 for 250 followers, fine. And then for my Twitch subscribers, if you do have Twitch Prime or just have $5 burning a hole in your pocket, guys, if you don't have the money to subscribe, do not waste your money on me. I would never want someone who, would rather has something better to buy to waste their money on me, because you might not win. There's a chance you don't win. Now, you do have a higher chance of winning. I do monthly graphics card giveaways on Twitch for my Twitch subs. So if you subscribe to Twitch or donate $5, just in case you can't subscribe, because subscribing is kind of weird on Twitch, I enter you, you get one entry, and you can get multiple entries. You get one entry into the RTX 2070 is what this month is. Next month, I'll probably do a 5700 XT. This way, so that's a little more expensive than RAM. Ad revenue offsets the cost of RAM. Not pays for it, but offsets it. Twitch, sub revenue and donations actually greatly offsets the cost of, say, a 2070 or 5700 XT. If it's $400, I might get $250 from subs. Full honesty, I might get I usually get between $100, which is the minimum amount you can actually get paid on Twitch, to $300 from subs. So if I pay $100 and I basically buy it on Amazon and have them ship it to you, so I don't have to pay for shipping, and get a 5700 XT to you, I'll take that. And I get a bunch of subs who might come back. I get recurring subs. If I can get 100 recurring subs, each sub is worth $2.50 to me. That's $250 a month, 150 extra. I'll take that. I'll take a graphics. Well, you'll take a graphics card for me that I'll give you. This is a long video, which is fine. Ad revenue. So, those are kind of the things I'm thinking. But I want to change the RAM giveaways, which was the topic. I am running out of breath. I want to change the RAM giveaways so that they're every 2 or 3 days, or 3 streams, I should say, and they're all at different times. The most committed person who really wants it will win, or it'll be so fair that there will be more closeness and everyone from around the world has a chance. Because I want to make sure I do 3 streams. One maybe at nighttime. I am Eastern Standard Time. So when I say time, I'm talking in Eastern Standard Time in New York. So I'll do one at nighttime so that maybe people in America will see it, and maybe some people who are like 13 hours ahead will wake up and see it and have a chance. Like Britain. Maybe I'll do one at like 2 a.m. so people in, like I said, South Africa have a chance. Maybe I'll do one at like 4 or 12 in the afternoon, or 12 noon, 12:01 in the afternoon, so that people who are 3 hours back, 3 hours forward, 1 hour forward, 5 hours back, 24 hours forward, they all have a chance. That's the goal. 13 hours even forward. I think 5 a.m. It's close enough. I'll take that. 5 a.m. I can't do math, but I can't do time math. But the RAM will be something like Trident ZRGB. Because with all those viewers, 3 days, there's more offset. Like, it could even pay for something like G-Skill Ages. So I'm like, okay, you spent 3 days watching, or 3 streams, like I said. Here's some Trident ZRGB. Here's some Trident Z Royal, you know? Some good, it's the same, like, speed. I do DDR4 3000 because it's just the best. It's the best RAM. Not literally the best you could buy, but it's the best for the price to performance, and it overclocks to 3200 all the time. For me, at least. I've gotten all my RAM to 3200. 3000 is fast enough, even for Ryzen 3rd Gen. Don't listen to anyone else, even though I know not what I'm talking about, but don't worry about it. So, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Let me know what you guys think. I hope this video didn't just get a bunch of people saying entry in the comments. This is just to get an idea of what you guys think I should do. Should it be a loyalty giveaway? Should it be a watch time giveaway? 7 days after 6,000 subs for the PC. Or, should it be from now, or the next video I should say, until 6,000 subs? And this way, some people might not have a chance, but they'll have a chance for the 7,000 sub giveaway, which I might do the same thing if it makes enough money, to be honest. It's not about money. It's about making these as cheap for me as possible so I can gain subs. This is all about subs. I'm being honest. I'm not just this great of a person. I'm sorry. I'm not the greatest person on the planet. But this is a good way to gain subs, and at least I actually do them. That's what I can say. I might not be a good person, but at least I'm good enough to actually do the giveaways, even if they are pretty budget. 2700X, it goes for a little less than $200 at Micro Center. It's like $160 something. That's a great deal. The motherboard, if you bundle these two together, the motherboard's $40. It's usually like $80 or $70. That's an amazing deal. I will take that deal, and I'll pass it on to you. Well, you won't have to pay the money. That's the point. So I want to know from you guys how we think we should do it. What's the most fair for you that you think will be the best? I want to do it through Twitch in some way. Don't forget, if you follow, I make sure to enter all the followers, and then I connect them. It's odd. That's the point. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed this video. Please give me your suggestions below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched this whole video, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.